Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you guys about the Spark program. I want to ask you guys a question. Do you think the Spark program is going to start in the middle of December 2024? The government announced that the Spark program would start in the middle of December 2024. But I'm not sure if it's going to start. Guys, what do you think? No, the Spark program is a $45 billion program where the government is going to fix the roads in Jamaica. The main roads and community roads. They're supposed to fix roads in every constituency in Jamaica. Now this is Millsboro that we're driving through. One of the top neighborhoods in Jamaica. Very high-end homes. The property tax that's paid up here is top dollar, and the property tax is supposed to be, some of it is used to fix roads. This is one of the top Jamaican neighborhoods, so this will give you an example. Look at the road. This will give you an example of the state of the roads, the community roads in Jamaica. And as we drive along, the road is going to get worse. At one point, I'm not even sure if you would consider it a road. No, the government said they would be starting the program in December 2024. But they have not announced who the contractor is going to be. And I'm not sure why they decided to use one contractor to fix 2,000 roads. It should have been 5 contractors or 4 contractors. But we'll talk about that in another video. Now the government said they have selected the contractor, but they have not announced publicly who the contractor is. We were informed, or it was speculated who the contractor would be. But officially the government has not announced it. So if they have not announced who the contractor is, how can they expect the contractor to start working in the next few days? The middle of December is about 2 to 3 weeks from now. And then the contractor is supposed to work with the local contractors. It's in the contract that the main contractor, which is a foreign contractor, we suspect it's going to be a Chinese contractor, has to work with local contractors. Now that model was used on a southern coastal highway and it did not work. They started with 10 local contractors, local subcontractors, and ended up with 0. The main contractor had to do over some of the work. But as I said, they have not made public who the contractor is. So does that mean, and it's not China, we don't think it's China Harbour Engineering Company. It's another foreign contractor. China Harbour Engineering Company is already here, but it's a second foreign contractor from what we've been told. They need time to set up, get arrangements with these local contractors. And then the government said they would be putting out a website as to what roads would be fixed. And no website has gone out. Nobody knows which roads are to be fixed. I don't even know if the contractor knows which roads are to be fixed. Nothing has been made public as to the list of roads. So nobody knows if your road is going to be fixed, if my road is going to be fixed, if the road in Ligani is going to be fixed, if this road is going to be fixed. Nobody knows. So how does the public know? When they're driving and they see the sign detour, that's when they know that road is to be fixed. So I don't think it's going to start in December. But guys, what do you think? Leave your comments in the section below. I don't know if cars still drive on this road. Look at the state of this road. It looks like what you call a riverbank. This is what the road in St. Thomas looked like when they were working on it. The Southern Coastal Highway. They described it as a riverbed. This is what the road looked like over there when they were working on it. And this is what led to a lot of the problems with the local contractors. The residents started to block the road and a lot of protests. Well, this is wow. It's a good thing we're in a 4-wheel drive vehicle. And this is a main road in one of the top residential communities in Jamaica. Alright guys, so let us know what you think about the start date of the Spark program. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. I think this is actually the Tavistock area. Enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.